This is a quick overview of a two-bedroom suite at the Home2 Suites in Anaheim. The two-bedroom suite sleeps 6 and has 2 separate bedrooms, each with a queen-size bed, as well as a sleeper sofa in the living room. While the room itself was spacious and could easily be navigated with a wheelchair, we found the layout to be a little bit awkward, as though it had previously been a conference room or something and converted to a two-bedroom suite. The overhead lights in the living room are all controlled by a single light switch, so your only choice was either on or off. There were a few lamps in the room to help make up for that, but it would have been nicer to be able to turn on the lighting in the kitchen and not have the lighting in the living room come on. The beds in both bedrooms were comfortable to sleep on. Both are queen-size beds. However, neither room had any air ventilation. There were no air vents, nor was there a ceiling fan. The only air vents in the room were in the living room. This bedroom here did not have any window to the outside. The window you see actually looks into the other bedroom. The sleeper sofa was comfortable enough, we had no complaints. The chairs were comfortable, as well as the beds. For future stays, we would look at booking 2 connecting rooms instead of the 2-room suite. We only dined at the lobby bar once. Service was a little bit slow. We think they were understaffed. Food was okay. There were plenty of places to eat within walking distance, so we would choose to do that next time. The sidewalk from the hotel is a little bit narrow as you leave, but it does widen as you get closer to Harbor Boulevard so that people can pass you if you're in a wheelchair. This is actually a pretty easy walk. It only took us about 10 to 15 minutes to reach Disneyland.